How to set up SMS marketing on Shopify. Setting up SMS marketing on Shopify boosts sales and engagement through personalized text message campaigns. Now, if you are going to go ahead and do that, then this is a video for you. So as you can see, we have already done this one for our email marketing. As you can see, we have set this one using Klaviyo. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, but this time it's going to be for SMS. Now we're going to go back here and we're just going to go ahead and look for our Klaviyo. All right, there you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this one here. So what you're going to do is basically just install your Klaviyo here in your app store. You can just go ahead and search for it here. And once you have installed it, you can just go ahead and follow the prompts and you should be able to do it. It's pretty simple, everybody. So now I am on my Klaviyo dashboard and I'm just going to go ahead and click my sign up forms. Now this email pop-up is the one that I have showed you earlier. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create this one from the top. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. Alright, now that it's deleted, I'm going to go ahead and click create sign up form. Now, here's what we are going to do. Instead of collecting emails, we're going to go ahead and choose phone numbers. So you can do this one, or you can also go ahead and choose email and phone numbers. It's up to you what you're going to do. But again, we're going to go ahead and focus on phone this time because again, the goal is SMS. So click create new sign up form, and then we're going to go ahead and name this one newsletter or SMS marketing. Alright, and then which list should subscribers be added to? I'm going to go ahead and click this one and click SMS subscribers. Now choose a form type depending on what you want. What I used earlier was a pop-up, so I'm just going to go ahead and use pop-up, the same thing. Now click save and continue to design. Alright, now that we are here, we're going to go ahead and customize this one. You see here, get the latest updates with news and promotions. You can go ahead and customize these. You can just go ahead and click them and then you will be able to change some text in here. And then we're going to go ahead and click the targeting behavior. So select when this form should be displayed. You can set this to immediately or basically do a custom trigger. So I'm going to go ahead and set this immediately. Now go ahead and scroll down and try to check this one. Devices display both on desktop and mobile, so make sure that that is turned on. Now go ahead and scroll down, so you have here your custom trigger, so that means it's okay. Now you can add blocks here. For example, this one, this is a phone number. We're going to go ahead and put it. Alright, there you go. So we're going to delete this one. We don't need that anymore. Now, there you go. So as soon as you do that, there's also this form here. Basically, this is for our privacy and policy. You can click this one and you will be able to edit it by clicking this one here. There you go. So go ahead and edit it to personalize it because you have here, for example, your company name. You have to do it, put it there. Alright, now go ahead and scroll down here. You should see here form alerts. Go ahead and click this one. Now there are 5 things that we need to do. We're going to go ahead and finish setting up our SMS. Now this one, let's start by choosing the countries you plan to send SMS in. So you can go ahead and try to choose between the following options here. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and say, for example, use Canada, or you can go ahead and click more than one. So yep, click next. And then here, what's your company information? Make sure to fill in everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this name here. And then company phone name must include your country code. So I'm just going to go ahead and put here my number. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and basically do next. All right. Alright, toll-free number. So we're just going to go ahead and call this one the unnamed store. Click done, and we are here now. So yep, we're going to go ahead and do the other thing, add company name, add privacy policy, and then terms and conditions. So just go ahead and click edit block. Okay, so no more form alerts, so this time we can go ahead and publish this one. Alright, so we have already published this one. Make sure to exit it, and there you go. As you can see, the status right now is live. Let's try to check it in here. And there you go. So yep, there you go, everybody. You can go ahead and customize this once again according to your needs and wants, but basically that is how you are going to do it. Congratulations, everybody. Now you know how to set up your SMS marketing here on Shopify. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.